Welcome to the captivating world of woodturning, where raw wood transforms into beautiful, functional art using a lathe. Let's start with the essentials. A sturdy, variable speed lathe, chucks, gouges, and chisels, your gateway to woodturning mastery. Safety is paramount. Always wear proper eye protection and a dust mask to safeguard yourself while working. Choose wood blanks with interesting grain patterns. Proper selection and preparation are crucial for stunning results. Master the bevel rubbing technique for smooth, controlled cuts. Feel the tool glide along the wood's surface. Learn the art of scraping for fine details and finishing touches, allowing for precise control and smooth finishes. Explore the unique possibilities of working with both dry and wet wood in your projects. From simple bowls to intricate designs, let your imagination run wild with woodturning's vast creative potential. Start with simple projects and gradually tackle more complex designs. Your woodturning journey of creativity begins now. Ready to start your woodturning adventure? Click the link below for more resources and inspiration.